Yeah. So after finding zeroth successor and one successor of the states A, C, and BDF, partition will be like this, students. Okay, how the partition will be looking like? So your ACE states A, C, and E. Sorry, states A, C, E will be in the same group because the zeroth successor and one successor of ACE are in the same groups. So AC will not be partition, but zeroth successor of BDF are there in the same group. But when you go for one successor, this one successor of B and D are in the one group. One successor of F is there in the other group. That's why BD will be kept in the same one group. BD will be kept in the one group, and F will be separated as a separate group in here for your second step. Now students, again follow the same procedure. Find what is the zeroth successor and one successor of ACE, zeroth successor and one successor of BD. Find what is the zeroth successor and one successor of F. Or else you no need to do zeroth successor and one successor of F because it is already separated into a single group. There is no need to find zeroth successor and one successor of F because it is a single element in a group. Now go and find, students, what you will get here. So the zeroth successor of ACE is, what is the zeroth successor and one successor of ACE, students? Zeroth successor is E and C. And what is the zeroth successor of BD, students? What is the
sir.
F? What is the zeroth successor of D?
F, sir.
F.
Sir.
Okay. So with this we can end, students. There is no need to do zeroth successor and one successor of F. No need to find. Okay. So now let us go and find what is the zeroth successor and zeroth successor and one successor of AC. What is the one successor of AC, students? D, B,
D, B, F.
F. So that is over. Then let us go and find what is the one successor of BD.
D, B, sir.
DB. Okay. Now come to the check verification part. Come to the verification part. What check whether zeroth successor of ACE, zeroth successor of ACE, okay, is there in the same group or not in this partition. After moving into the second state, you have to verify from this group, students. Okay, check here whether the zeroth successor of ACE, that is E and C, is available in the same group or not from this partition, from these states. E and C is available in the same group, no problem. Then check one successor of AC is available in the same group or not from this part. D, B, F. D and B is available in one group, but whereas F is available in the another group. So tell me, students, how I have to do partition here from AC, how the partition will be done, which two element states will be in one group and which will be partitioned here. Which, look at here, students. Yeah, AC is available, and when I check AC is a zeroth successor, EEC is available in the same group, no problem with zeroth successor. But when I move to the one successor, DBF, check D and B is available in one group. D and B is available in one group, but F is available in separate group, students. Then tell me how you are going to separate the groups in ACE. How you are going to separate the groups? Which two will be in one group? Which will be separated?
AC one group. AC one group.
Yeah,
E
AC is one group, students. E separate group. Why am I separating E as a separate group? Why am I separating? Since
another group.
Since the one successor of EF is available in another group. That is why I am trying to partition AC is into one group and E into another group here. Likewise, check with your B and D, students. Check your B and D. Then check your zeroth successor of B and D, F and F. F and F is available in single group or not?
Same group, sir.
Same group, no problem. Check with the one successor of B and D. What are they? What is the
DB,
one?
sir.
DB. Are they available in the same group or not?
Same
Yes,
group,
sir.
Same group, no problem, students. So there is no partitioning in B and D. So since 0th successor and 1 successor are available in same group in here. So tell me, students, how I am going to partition the things here. How I am going to do partition here? Tell me from state
AC
2 to state 3. State 2 to state 3. So in state 3, I'm doing partitioning here, students. So how I have to partition here? So I have to make state A and C into single group, and your E is separated here. And what is other groups available? B and D are there in the same group. Your F is separated here. Okay, student, is it right? Is it right to separate AC into one group, E into one group, BD into one
Yes.
group, and F into one group? Is it true or correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then let us do the same kind of procedure here, students. Find 0th successor, okay, and one successor of AC and E here, students. What is the 0th successor of AC?
EE, sir.
EE. So I'm
EE,
writing,
sir.
yeah, EE is available. Students, since E is separated as a single element, we no need to find 0th successor, 1 successor again for E here. So let us leave this. Okay, then go for 0th successor of B and D.
FF,
Yes,
sir.
FF, B and D. FF. Okay, now let us go and find what is the 1 successor of A and C.
DB, sir.
D and B. Okay, then let us go and find what is the 1 successor of B and D.
DB, sir.
DB, D comma B here. Okay, now check, students, check with the procedure whether 0th successor of A and C, that is EE, is available in single group or not.
Yes, sir.
And 1 successor of AC, DB, is available in single group or not.
Yes, sir.
So is
Yes,
there
sir.
any possibility to separate the states AC from a single group?
No, sir.
No. So AC is completed. There is no chance of separating the group AC. Then E is already separate group. Then check with BD, students. The 0th successor of BD, that is FF, is available in one group or not?
Yes, sir.
Then 1 successor of BD, that is DB, is available in single group or not?
Yes, sir.
So is there any
sir.
possibility to separate BD into separate groups?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So BD also cannot be separated. So it is a single group. Then check with F. It is already a single group. So from step 3 to step 4, okay, step 3 to step 4, what I can write, students? What are my states here? What are my states here? Tell me, what are my states here? A comma C cannot be separated. It is a single group. E is already a single group, cannot be separated. B comma D also cannot be separated. They are single group. F is already separated. That is a single group. Students, this is my simplification. This is my simplification. If you find 0th successor and 1 successor of this AC and BD, you are getting into same group. Is there any possibility again to separate them? Is there any possibility to separate AC and BD again using 0th successor and 1 successor?
No,
Is there
sir.
any? No. Since already I have checked 0th successor and 1 successor of AC and BD, they are available in same group. So there is no further possibility of separating the states AC and BD in here. That is why you are going to stop your iterations till this one. Okay, this is your final step, students. Okay, so when you find 0th successor and 1 successor of AC and BD, they are available in same group. They are available in same group. So we cannot separate AC and BD into separate groups. This is your final step, student. With this, you can stop your partitioning process, and you have to come to conclusion. What is that? Your states which are there in a single group, AC and BD are equivalent states. When you're completing your final step, that what are the states which are available in single group? They are AC and BD will be equivalent states. So in the table, what they have given in the question part. Okay, in the question part, what they have given students in the question part? So A, B, C, D, E, and F are the states they have given, and they're asking us to minimize this table with the help of partition technique. When we applied partition technique, we got A and C in a single group, B and D in a single group, students. Okay, A and C in a single group, B and D in a single group. So we can consider AC as an equivalent state, BD as another equivalent state, such that you can simplify them like this, students. Instead of writing A and C again and again, we will write any one of them. Either you can write A state and you can write C state. You can write any one of them. And likewise, you can write either state B or you can write state D. Since they are equivalent to each other, we can replace one. Okay, we can remove one, students. Okay, state A is written, state B is written. Since C is equivalent to A, I'm not writing that. Since D is equivalent to B, I'm not writing that. Remaining two states E and F are written. Okay, from this question part, 6 states are available. C is removed, D is removed because A is equivalent to C, B is equivalent to D. State C and D is removed, and we have shown what is your minimized state table, students. Okay, this is how you need to apply partition technique. Okay, this is how you need to apply partition technique in here. Okay, so students, so we have